Hello guys, so in this video we will take a deeper look into the symbology for the points, lines and polygons. So as you see here on the table of content, if I right click on any symbology, I can change the colors. If I click on the symbology, I can see the option to do a symbol selector. And symbol selector here is basically select a predefined style by Esri to make it your points symbol. What we will focus on in this advanced section is the edit symbol. The edit symbol here allow you to design a new symbol that you want to create, maybe like images, or you want to create a different customized symbol for your points. And here on the left side, this is the preview where you will see how your point will look like. And here you can add layers to your symbol, so you can add a layer on top of the layer, like character on top of character, to make it look however you want. On the top here we have the type of the symbol. We have 3D types, and we will focus on this for non-3D types: arrow marker symbol, character, picture and symbol. So let's start by the symbol marker symbol, and this is basically you just change the color, the style, the size and the offset from the location, like it's gonna be on the right side, the left side, on the top or the bottom. Here also you can define the outline for your symbol. So here if I choose it red, you will see that your symbol is black as we chose here, and it's a circle and it have an outline of red, and you can change the outline size from here as well. And you can add another layer right here. So here you see what layer on top of the other. So let's say for example we will choose this top layer and we will change it from circle to X. And as you see here now it's on top of each other. So let's change the offset for the X to be on the bottom. So let's make it down there, and maybe change the size to be 10. So now if I click OK and click OK, you will see that my icons, let's zoom into our cities. You will see that the symbol for my cities have changed the way I designed it here. So let's get back here, edit symbol again. And this is the symbol marker symbol. The mask will add like a halo around this symbol you have. So for example, the halo here, the size is 2. Let's make it, for example, 8. And if I click OK, you will see that I have a halo around it. And I can also change how the halo looks like from here. I click mask and I change it like this. I said OK. You will see that the halo around my symbol has changed. So here let's check the other option, picture marker symbol. And picture marker symbol will allow you to make your symbol as a picture. So I will double click on this one and let's delete this one. You can add a layer here, you can remove a layer, you can change the order of the layers, and you can copy, you can paste, and you can change how your layers looks like from here. So right now we are working on the picture marker symbol. So let's delete this one and focus on the picture marker symbol. So let's change the size of the picture to, for example, 35, and we don't want any mask. And you can also change the angle of the image, as you see here, go left or right. And you can change the offset to be on the right side or the left side of your center location of the point. So we're gonna make it 0 and we'll click OK. Now you will see that your symbol has changed using the picture we chose. So let's go back and check what we can do with the character marker symbol. The character marker symbol here give you the ability to choose different characters from Esri existing characters. So let's say for example here I want to make a character marker symbol that have a red X inside a black square. So I have my black square right here, and let's add another layer, and this one will be on the top. And I will choose an X. I'll make the color black, and this is how it looks like right here. It's very small, so let's make this one bigger. Let's make the size, for example, 18, and make my X also 18, or maybe a little bit smaller, 16. And if I click OK, you will see that your marker changed. You can design your character symbol however you want. You can put a circle and below it an X, like let's say for example I will do that here. That's a circle. I'll make it black, and this one I will make it a plus sign, and I will change the offset for the plus sign to come down a little bit on the Y axis. And I want also to change the color of my circle to be blue. So if I click OK, that's how it will look like. So let's go back here again and check the last option we have, which is arrow marker symbol. And here you just choose, it gives you an option to create an arrow marker symbol. You can change the length. So if I do that here, you're gonna make the arrow bigger or smaller. You can change the width, how big it is. And you can also change the angle. So let's, for example, make it point to the top. So we're gonna make it 90 degrees. And I'll change the Y offset to be on the top and a little bit to the left. I can also change the color from here. Let's make it green. So this is the options you have for your point symbols. Same thing you will find for the lines. You have symbol, line symbol, and picture, line symbol, and marker, and hash line. And hash line will give you the option to create a line looks like that with dots on it, and you can come here and add arrows to your line, or in the template you can make your line have intervals. So for example, let's say I will come here, I will choose marker line symbol. I want to choose my symbol to be a circle, a green one, and as you see here, the circles look on top of each other. So I can come to the template and hold this scale bar right here, and I change what is the space between my marker symbols. I can also change the interval from here to make more separation between the marker on the line. So this is where you can change your line symbol options. So let's cancel this one and go for the polygon. When you edit symbols from here, also here you have different options other than 3D. You have simple, and this is the symbol fill symbol where you choose the color for your polygon, and the outline you can choose it from here. For example, let's make it green and make it the outline bigger. You will have a red polygon with outline show as green. The picture marker symbol will allow you to choose a picture for your polygon. So for example, if I choose this picture and I said okay, you will see that your polygon now have the picture that I chose. So let's go back here again, edit symbol. The next option you have marker fill symbol, and you can choose any markers from here. So for example, let's make my polygon looks like that, and we can make this circles to be random drawn inside the polygon or in a grid, and we can also change the outline for the polygon however we want. So this is how our polygon will look like. If we chose random and we said okay, now our polygon will look like that. Let's go back here and edit symbol and choose line fill symbol, and line fill symbol will create lines inside your polygon. So for example, let's choose our line to look like that, and if I click OK, now my polygon will look like it have lines inside of it. Let's check the last option here, gradient fill symbol, and here you can choose different color spectrums for your polygon. So let's choose any one of them, and this is how your polygon will look like. You can change it from linear to rectangular, so this is how it will look like, and you can try the other options to see how the preview show your polygon to look like. You can change the intervals of your symbol, you can change the percentage of the colors inside your spectrum, you can change the angle, as you see the angle here changing, and you can change any options you want. And once you click OK, you will see that your polygon looks exactly like how it did look into the preview. So I will put it back again as regular fill symbol, and I will click OK to bring my layer the same way. I'll do the same here. I'll bring it back to the normal symbol I have, and I'll choose the color here, dark purple, change this to 12. OK. So this is how you can change your symbology for the points, lines, or polygons to look however you want. Like, you can be very creative and add a lot of layers to make your symbol looks exactly like you want, however you want. So that's it for the advanced symbology. We have another way to do symbology that based on the fields. So when we right click on a layer and we open the properties, we have the symbology here. We can change it based on field values, and we will make a separate video for this way to do symbology in the master section. So that's it for this video, and if you have any questions at any time, please let me know. Thanks.